hitting back stronger like we did last time. It's just gonna keep getting stronger. Yeah. So we'll update you guys when we get there. All right.
Florida 434 for 3/4 of a mile.
I'm starting to like them.
Starting to like the wheels?
Yeah, I'm starting to like the wheels. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, let's know what you think about the wheels. But we got it, boys and girls. So
the second gen Toyota MR2.
Pretty clean. It's not a turbo, but it's nice. It has no seat, no passenger seat, but we'll get that in. Interior is clean.
I'll throw you guys the specs later.
Yeah, I'll throw you the specs when we get to Choop's house. That's not bad. Look at that.
12 seconds later.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's yours.
What is this?
The Datsun.
It's yours.
The Datsun.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yo, you're such a liar.
What do you mean?
He told me, yo, I got signed at the restaurant. I was gonna start crying. He told me, oh, he sold it. We can't buy it. Oh my god.
He did sell it. It says sold.
He did sell it.
Yeah.
Yo, this is nice.
Yo, I went to see it and I was like, bro, this is clean. It's not that bad though.
See if you could fit like. I don't think so.
Yeah, they're
Oh
fixed.
yeah, you're good, right? Okay.
It's quick release too, so you can take it.
Nice. Are we keeping
Keeping what, this thing? I don't know,
It's
honestly.
nice. I like it.
It's not that bad to be honest.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Seats definitely gotta go.
Yeah, seats gotta go.
Yeah.
Yeah, start it. You gotta make sure it's neutral
Yeah,
though.
make sure it's neutral.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't hit the Dats.
No!
No, you just gotta.
You gotta go like all the way down. Like, as far as you can.
The clutch?
Let it go?
That what go?
Yeah.
The clutch?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
Alright guys, I was gonna say giveaway done. No,
Giveaway done.
well
Success.
technically, no, okay, surprise part done. Turbo, what?
Well, we can.
That's up to Danny.
We can.
Let us know what you guys think about the MR2. I like it a lot. And then here we have the Datsun. Datsun's done, and then we are almost done with the project number 2 for Mamba Garage. So we're working on this, gonna make it all pretty and whatnot, and that's about it. Things clean. Danny's Datsun. Check that out. If you guys haven't already seen, go look at the reveal video right now. The Datsun reveal video. Go look at that. I'll leave the link in the description. We have a lot of content coming. I know I always say that, but this time we actually do. And we also are about to go head over to pick up a car. A pretty sick. That's project number 3. Yeah, that's 3. And then the S2K is 2. I don't know if I mixed up the numbers, but yeah, we're picking up project number 3 today. There'll be another video for that. And that thing's insane. I think it's gonna be insane. But thank you guys once again for tuning in, and we'll be back with more videos.